I just hope you're gonna take this serious because this is not some kind of a do it if you feel like it. Now, this window peeping, I didn't like this at all. 100 fines, 200 costs. I'll let it go because I've already sentenced him and I agree with you. I was aware of this. $300 or 90 days. Does he have this to pay?
Did you give me money today? $100.
You pay 100 today. When can you pay the rest on this one? Keep in mind, I got a payment plan with you on the other one. I'll just give you till August 31 on this. Can you pay the other 200 then?
Yeah, I can do that.
Pay 100 now, the rest by August 31. I don't want to, don't come in front of me on any violations, Mr. Levy, okay?
0720.
Heather, I need you to enlighten me. Did I sentence him on the operating while impaired out of this court?
Let me take a
It
look.
should have been, the Penn State was April 18th, and it looks like the conviction date was May the 14th. And then I
Okay, Penn
revoked
State
his
was April
height.
18th. Yes, the April 18th incident. What, yes, you sentenced him on May 28th.
I need the first page of the register. All right, what did I give him?
Judge, I should have included the order of probation on, just hold on, I should have included the order of probation on it because you asked for a copy of it.
Thought I did, and I'm just. You're telling me you included the order of
Probation, I had the police.
on the drunk driving?
Include that for that, because you wanted a copy of it.
Shoot. Thank you, thank you. I knew I was waiting for something like that. All right, so I revoked his height status.
Yes.
I entered the conviction. I said I wanted to see this. Now I do. And I'm gonna go ahead and sentence him and I'll listen to anything else that you have to say.
Just, Your Honor, that you were aware of this, at the time of the illegal and, I would ask you to either continue or end this probation.
I mean, yeah, I'm gonna sentence him anew. Anything you'd like to say, sir? You can stay out of trouble or what?
Yeah.
The bad thing is I heard you not to drink on this other case, on the window peeping. Not only did you drink, you went out and picked up another case. Not only did you pick up another case, you picked up a case involving operating while intoxicated, which is a violation of law. And I also told you not to do that. Now, look, we understand one another? Good, thank you. People against Zubke, Ryan Keith Zubke, 2-5-T-6-4-5-5. How you doing there, Mr. Wren?
Okay, Your Honor.
Your name?
Lindsay Curtis,
You're going to plead to no operator's license on person, and you are going to plead to disobey a traffic signal. Is that true?
yeah, Your Honor.
All right. If you plead to no operator's license, that is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to $100 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. I would then dismiss the driving on a suspended. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And again, you understand all your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that this possible consequence is up to, just these are the maximums. You're not going to get this, up to $100 fines, 90 days jail, plus costs, or all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand all your rights.
Yes,
You
Your
still wish to waive your right to a lawyer.
Yes,
To the charge, no valid operator's license on person, how do you plead?
Your
Were you operating a motor vehicle July the 6th of 26 in the city of Trenton on Fort Ear King?
Your
Were you operating a motor vehicle
Yes,
on that date, time, and location?
yes, Your
And
Honor.
did you have a valid operator's license?
No, I did not, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody force you to plead guilty? Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, no.
You were revoked. You were revoked, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You had 2 drunk drivings. You can't be driving, sir. I don't know what to tell you. I don't make these laws. I don't write these laws.
I should have never been out there.
You didn't drive today, right? You didn't drive today because you have a revoked
No.
license.
No,
Who drove you?
I did not, right?
Who drove?
My brother, my ex-brother.
Where's he at?
He dropped me off.
Of course, I love that. He dropped me off. Everybody drops it. Everybody drops somebody off and then leaves. How are you getting back home?
I'm sorry.
How are you getting back home after we're done?
He's going to pick me up.
So you didn't bring a car.
He had things.
You didn't bring a car here, right?
No, I said not.
Okay, because if you bring a car here and you drive out of here, you're gonna have a problem. You know that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good enough. All right. How do you support yourself, Mr. Brennan?
How do I support myself?
Yeah, do you have a pension?
I'm
or-
Social Security, Your Honor.
All right. I don't like these revoked. I don't like that revoked. I don't like revoked.
It was wrong, Your Honor. I was irresponsible. I'm moving back up north
To where?
and I had a
To where?
Beulah.
Nice.
And, I had purchased a car, yeah, I had brakes put on it, and tires.
Why would you purchase a car if you don't have a license? Who's gonna drive the car if you can't, if you don't have a valid license,
Right.
why would you purchase a car? Just to look at it in the driveway?
No, I plan on trying to get my license back, Your
You
Honor.
better try very quickly, very hard, because you got two of these in the last few years, 6 or 7 years, right?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yeah,
so-
around 6 years ago, I had two.
I know you did. I saw your record.
I can't explain it, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I purchased a car, I had tires put on it, I had brakes put on it,
So you can look at it.
and no.
And admire it.
No, I was going to,
You can wipe it with a cloth all day long, right? Wax it, shine it, clean it.
no, Your Honor, I was going to pay a person to drive it.
All right, let's quit while we're behind. Anything else you want to tell me?
No, Your Honor.
100 fines, 175 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment. I'm gonna come light on you here. I don't like revoke. Please don't come back in front of me. $400 or 90 days and 145 on the traffic signal, 545. Can you pay that?
Yes, I can pay, I don't have that much with me, no.
How much do you have today?
300 I can pay?
Okay, I'll tell you what, you paid, when we haven't paid the disobey traffic signal, that's, you said 350? Is that what you have? Did you say you have 300? You pay the disobey traffic signal, that's 145. You pay 155 on the no ops, and then we'll set up a payment plan. When can you pay the rest?
When can I pay?
Yeah.
Today's Thursday. Possibly tomorrow, if I can.
I'll tell you what, I'll just say pay the rest by August 17th, okay?
Yes,
So you can go down the home, we're gonna get rid of the disobey traffic signal, you're gonna pay 155, you'll still owe 245. And then you can pay that by August the 17th, okay?
yes, Your Honor.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, enjoy your life in Beulah, thank you. Matthew Frank Kornacki, 26B150996. Why are we changing a payment plan? What's your name?
Matthew Cornett.
What do you need to change?
I need to change the payment.
Okay, from what to what? You were to pay 275 today.
Yeah, unfortunately, I can't do that.
How much can you pay today?
Nothing.
Well, why?
Can I pay 50 today?
Yeah, why'd you tell me you could pay 275?
I didn't realize after I spoke to my wife about.
All right, okay. Heather, I'll just make a note. You came in, defendant to pay 50 today, not 275. And I said you could pay the rest by at 60 a week. Can you still do that?
60 a week, yes, sir.
Starting August the 17th.
Yes, sir.
That's what we'll do. Okay?
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Now I go over to the
If you,
office.
if you don't have any money, I hope you heard these conversations. What are you gonna do if you don't have the money? Huh?
I said, when do I start paying?
You paid 50 today,
Okay,
60 per week, starting August 17th.
okay, that's.
If you don't have the money, you call the court, we'll go on Zoom, I'll give you an extension.
Okay,
Or you can walk in and see me if that's easier for you, okay?
okay, thank you.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Daryl Greer, Daryl C. Greer, 26T6483158. And B, Mr. Graziani, I'm
Yes.
sorry, which case do you?
I have Daniel Caldwell. We're simply seeking a German judge.
Okay, let me just get rid of this one
Okay,
real
sir.
quick. Your name, sir? I'm sorry, you're gonna plead to no ops,
Yeah.
and they're gonna dismiss the suspend, and then you're going to plead to expired plate. Is all that true?
Yes, sir.
If you plead to no ops, the possible penalties are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. And then I'll dismiss the 2-point drivewall suspend check. You understand and agree to that?
Yes, sir.
And if you plead to that, you're also going to plead to expired plate. You understand that, which is a 0-pointer, right?
Yes.
All right, did you sign, read, and understand, again, your advice or rights today? If you plead guilty, you're going to be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you understand the possible penalties? I'm just telling you the maximums. I think I told you this. Up
Yeah.
to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
To the charge, no valid operator's license on your person, how do you plead?
No.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on Fort Near West in Trenton, July 9 to 26 at 3:40 PM?
Yes, sir.
And did you have a valid license with you on your person?
No, sir.
Are you on probation or parole? Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
And again, did the charge expired plate? You plead responsible or not responsible?
Yes.
Responsible?
Oh, that's all, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea to no ops. Find it to be an accurate plea, and I'm gonna dismiss the suspend, accept your plea to expired plate, and I'm ready for sentence. Are you?
Yes.
What would you like to tell me? How's your record? You're still suspended.
Yes, I am.
What do you have to do to get your license here?
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta take care of these things, okay?
Yes, I am.
You gotta know insurance, and at any rate, anything else?
I let him know that, I did, they do the flight. Everything.
100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 360, 325 or 60 days. And on the expired plate, fines and costs of 125. 485 is your, I'm sorry, 450 is your total. Can you pay all that today?
No, sir.
Where do you work at?
At, DP World, I'm sorry, and, on Van Horn at Chrysler.
You're at Chrysler?
No, I don't work for Chrysler. We got to build, we
How
got
much do you make per hour?
like 23.
What, how much do you have today?
Actually nothing.
All right.
Anything right now.
When can you pay these?
I can pay, I mean, can I get an option for weekly? I pay weekly.
Just tell me what you can pay. We're easy here. How much?
50 a week?
No problem. You get paid Fridays?
Yes, sir.
You pay 50 per week. Now listen to me.
Sir.
I'm gonna let you pay 50 per week starting Monday. Can you start Monday? No, tomorrow's Friday. Can you start Monday?
Oh, okay, I catch you.
Can you do that or not?
Yes, yes.
You pay 50 per week beginning August the 3rd. You're gonna pay on the no ops charge first. And then you're gonna go over and pay on the civil infraction. It's 50 a week. If you don't have the money, I hope you heard these conversations. What are you gonna do? You're gonna stop in and see me on or before the due date? You're gonna call the court and go on Zoom
Yes.
and we'll be done.
Okay.
I'll give you an extension.
Thank you.
Here,
Yes.
best of luck. Nowicki. Mark Anthony Nowicki Jr., 268-2602. This is a dismissal, and then I'm calling this one called, your name, sir?
Mark Nowicki.
So you did everything, they agreed with you, they think you did everything, they're moving to dismiss, motion to the prosecutor, right?
Yes, sir.
Case dismissed, congratulations, good luck to you. People against Caldwell, Daniel Frank Caldwell, 268-2601A and B.
Good morning, Judge and staff. John Graziani, attorney on behalf of Daniel Caldwell, who's my left. Please identify yourselves.
Daniel Frank Caldwell.
All right, so he's got a building code violation, how many of them? 2, right? 2 of those, all right, so he's gonna stand mute, wait formal
That's
reading,
correct, Judge.
not guilty, please are entered.
We're just waiting to get the final discussion.
I got it. Personal bond, $100. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law. You must appear in court as directed. I'll give you a new court date. And that's it, okay? We'll give you a pretrial date. What day is that gonna be, Heather?
August 27th at 9:30.
So make your arrangements to have that taken care of. And we should be good to go,
Thank you, Judge.
okay?
Take care.
Now, listen, if you need a court appointed going forward, you're gonna have to fill out a petition for one. You're entitled to one on your first appearance, but not subsequent. If you want to represent yourself, no problem. If you don't, you're gonna have to fill out a petition.
Okay.
And I have to find that you're indigent, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck. Alyssa Louise Taylor, 268-39138. What, did you meet with the lawyer yet or prosecutor yet?
Heather said she was coming down.
Judge, I wasn't sure what you wanted to do with this. She was out of town, didn't get her notice that she was supposed to be here yesterday until she got back. Just, I don't know if she got back last night or this morning. Was my understanding from a phone call that was received this
I will-
morning.
How long are you gone?
Since they're ready.
Well,
I did that on my GPS thing too. I just told her to show you. I was at a hotel and I'll be in for work.
Need to hear that, but you gotta show up, okay? I'll just make a note. You showed today, you favored us with your presence. We schedule it, okay? All right, what do we have, Heather? August the 14th?
She's a Brown,
No.
I'm sorry, she was a Brownstown case, is that correct, Judge?
This is, Brownstown, yes.
We could do, let's do the 26th, August 26th at
It's
8:45.
good with you, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, show up that day. Don't miss again, or I'm not gonna be this nice, okay?
They changed the date on my paper. I got a paper that said they gave me the wrong information.
We did? It's our
Yes,
fault?
there was an incorrect date put in and we mailed out the new date a couple days later. It still was only a couple days difference. I'm not sure why it was received at her house so late.
Go down and get that new date, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck, thanks. Morning.
Morning, I'm just looking for lost files in the Twilight.
Which one's that?
But they're add-ons, Your
They-
Honor. so-
They were found, Mr. Zelnak, they were found and gave to Mr. Bologna.
Wow, see, Judge,
Who has them?
Mr. Bologna.
Oh, okay.
I thought, usually I'm accused of taking the files, but this time I'm innocent, Judge, so. I'm gonna go see him. Nice seeing you, Your Honor. I'll be back in a few moments.
Okay, no problem. All right. People against. Jerome Lowe. Jerome Lamont Lowe Jr., 26T 648-871A and B.
And good morning, James Schlock, 30720.
Your name, sir?
Jerome.
What is it again, Mr. Schloff? 33?
30720.
Jeez. You are,
I'm ancient, 47 years in
so I'm not far from you, but,
November.
all right, so for purposes of arraignment on the open intox and disorderly, does he stay mute and waive formal reading?
He does, Your Honor.
Okay, give me 1 second. Somehow they switched these for me. Okay, so I'll enter not guilty, please, and then they're gonna dismiss the disorderly public intox, right?
Yes,
And he's gonna plead to open intox?
yes.
Is that what you wanna do, sir? If you plead to that, you were a driver?
No, it was outside of his home.
Oh, it says open intoxicants in vehicle, though. I just wanted to understand if you plead guilty, possible penalties here up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs or all those, and 2 points would be assessed on your traffic record. Do you understand that? All right. And you understand all your rights?
Yes,
And you understood, you read those rights and signed those rights?
Yes, sir.
Form? If you plead guilty, giving up all those rights, we're not gonna have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
yes, sir.
All right, to the charge, open intoxicants. How do you plead?
Guilty.
All right, were you in the city of Trenton at or near 1909 Marion Drive at 2 o'clock in the morning, July the 5th of 26?
Yes, sir.
And you had an open Coors Light in the car?
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
What's your record like?
It's all pretty ancient, I think.
Anybody forced to plead guilty?
No, sir.
A lot of driving, but nothing really. You did plead no contest at domestic 6 years ago, 7 years ago. You know, you had an operating while impaired second too, right? Ah, what are you drinking in the car for? He's revoked too.
I was outside the house taking my car. My girlfriend got into it, so she locked the door. I was just sitting outside, the kids, and
Ah, you're revoked. You're not driving, right?
yeah, I wasn't driving.
I know, but you're not driving. It says that you were in the parking lot, kicking, disturbing the peace, started yelling. And anyway, you were trying to kick the door open. Come on, use your head. Anything else, Mr. Schler?
No.
No. Anything else? Where do you work?
I'm there, I work at Chrysler.
Which plant?
That's just,
Gosh, no, I know, but which?
it's Sterling Heights, Shed.
100 fines, 50 costs, 75 victim rates, $50 justice assessment. Okay, so your total's 275 for 60 days. Can you pay that?
That's based on.
How much do you have today? Anything? When can you pay it?
Sorry.
Yeah. You get paid weekly, right?
No, I'm there up.
Oh, that's right. But you're collecting how much of your pay?
It's like,
90?
no, like 60%.
You sure?
50%.
60%.
Tell you what, you pay $50 per week and I'm starting at August the 17th, okay?
Okay,
If you need more time, call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll be glad to give you an extension, all right?
yes, sir.
Good luck. Thanks. John, I'm gonna need, Mr. Labadie, I'm going to need, Jessica.
Court might be familiar with this case because you sentenced him on the operating on a pier that was,
Well, I sentenced him on a window peeping.
yes.
Took it
that's-
under height, then he went out and got a drunk driving.
Right, and that's why I'm saying you were aware of this case.
Was he in front of me on this case?
He tells me though.
People against Reed Dean Labadie Jr., 25W82910. Mr. Newman, I'm sorry, I saw you disappear and I'm gonna get you out of here next. 513A, B, and C. How you doing, Mr. Zupke?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Your name?
Mike, he's up.
So we're your parents' counsel?
James Lot 30720.
All right, so so he's charged with leaving the scene of a property damage accident.
Yes.
And he's charged with driving on a suspended, and he's got a default judgment on the no proof of insurance. So as I understand it, he's going to plead to allow an unlicensed driver to drive. He's also pleading to leave the scene. He's got it written up as it is, and this failure to stop and identify 6 points. I just want you to know that. I'm not saying it isn't there.
Understand, yeah, that's what he wrote it up.
Okay, so that's what you're gonna do, sir?
Yes.
Well, I don't want you to guess.
No, yes.
Is this what you want to do?
Yes, I'm checking my life, maybe. No, allow me to go back to that, yeah, so.
I didn't look at your record. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about you, honestly, sir.
Yes.
Okay, just take your time. Do you want me to adjourn this and give you some time to think about it? I'll do that for you. If you want to take some time and think about it, be glad to let you do that. You seem like uptight. Just relax.
Why don't we pass this for a moment, Judge?
Yeah, no problem. I'll be glad to. But if he wants an adjournment, the case isn't that old. I'll be glad to do that for him. Then he can go think about it. I don't want him to rush. He seems. You're suspended still too, sir. And I know you're suspended.
I will agree with these.
I can't hear
I
you.
will agree with these, sir.
I want you to take your time. Okay, I just want you to take your time. Why don't you go talk to your lawyer some more? And then you can come back in front of me, okay? All
I can
right?
file that.
Yes, sure. Which one does Mr. Newman have?
Yeah. I don't know, she did.
It's, Hafiz, Hafiz. People against Mohammed Nagy Hafiz the first. Or is that the first or is that something else here? 2-64648-388. Your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Attorney David Newman, PA 2515, appearing on behalf of Mohammed Hafiz.
Where's he at?
Your Honor, I spoke to him yesterday. I spoke to him early this morning. He works the night shift at the gas station across the street. He told me he wasn't feeling well at all. He was supposed to come to my office. Ever since then, he told me I guess he may be checking into the hospital. But I have not been able to get a hold of him. But we're asking for an adjournment if that's possible. does
I'll
have,
do it I'll do it only on the basis that he's ill. I mean, I'll take you at your word and him
Right.
at his word. I'll adjourn it a couple of weeks, but
Your Honor,
like if that's not the case and they're just blowing them off. Give me a date if you would, Heather.
August 27th at 9:30.
So I'm gonna expect us to conclude this case on that date or else I'm gonna set a trial, okay, counsel?
Your Honor, if I may, looks like he has another pending matter on August 6th at 9:30 a.m. Is it possible we can do it that day? I'll probably be in court that day
In
for a
front of
different
me?
matter. Yeah, I know, that's for Judge Hessen. I think I do have another matter in front of you on August 6th though at 9 a.m.
I don't care. We can do that. Listen, I want you to show up earlier. I don't want to screw up her docket. okay?
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
I want you to show up here at 8:30, all right?
8:30 is perfect.
Ju- I'm not showing anything else open for him here except for our case for today.
Oh, it's not
Is-
him. It's some other defendant, right, counsel?
Oh, okay,
Last
okay.
name is solid for
Okay,
August 6th.
my apologies. I thought you meant for this defendant.
No.
So let's do August 6th on that. That's okay. August 6th at 8:30.
Okay.
And just make sure he's here, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I
Have a good
appreciate it.
day. Thanks.
Thank you too. Thank you, Heather.
Joseph Allen Buklowski, 26T, 648-592.
Morning, Your Honor, Eric Zelenak for the respondent. He's away at school in Boston, Massachusetts. I have authority to enter into a plea. And in fact, I'm several weeks early. Can I use this when I'm late next time as part of my bank of good deeds?
What do you mean?
I mean,
Oh.
if I come late the next time and say, well, you're really a
Oh.
few weeks early, so I.
Why wasn't he here last time? Was that your,
Assuming then, and the
was,
response that his mother gave is that he kept getting disconnected. He was in Boston and I think somewhat people, young people don't have the patience we do.
okay, so that was on June 22nd. He was defaulted. Does he have a bond?
Yes, he posted a bond. That's the only way.
How much is the bond? Yeah, I know. That's,
Oh, gosh, Judge.
all right, but
The
he's gonna
bond-
plead to him.
The bond judge is 175.
All right, so you're authorized to enter in this plea. The prosecutor's offering impeding. They're gonna dismiss the traffic signal, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and to that charge, first of all, set aside the default judgment.
Thank you.
And to the charge of impeding responsible or not responsible, please accept at 175, default judgment set aside, disobey traffic signal dismissed. We'll just apply the bond on that one,
Thank you.
Heather. You have Franco too?
Yes, I do.
Renee Franco, 260-648-912. Look at this, a lawyer showing up 4 weeks earlier to have his case heard.
Would you put that in writing so I can tell him?
That never happens. Anyway,
Just to make your day, I got a car full of dogs out there. We're gonna walk around if you like.
you're gonna plead to impeding
Yes, Your
your
Honor.
appearance
Edward Zelenak.
and you're authorized to enter this plea
Yes, Your Honor.
to the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
I'm gonna accept the plea. Let me see what I have here. I don't have a traffic record.
Mr.
What's his record?
Lawrence.
No record?
Let me,
I'll take it at your word. 150 is the total, okay? And I'll give him.
Fine is fine, Judge.
No, I don't do that. If he's got no record, I kind of got a sliding scale. I'll give him until
Contractor, I don't mind.
August the 6th or 7th to pay this, okay?
Yes, by the way, all the dogs in my car must. Just remember, are we off the record? I just want you to know that.
No, we're not off the record and we're on Zoom.
I'll put this on the record. I
Or
was a
YouTube.
middleman. I did not like dogs myself. But there's a great song Elvis Presley did in the movie Paradise Hawaiian Style called It's a Dog's Life, and you should listen to it. That'll tell the whole story.
Have a good day.
Judge, thank you.
Good to have you.
Music memory for the day.
Thanks a lot. What do you guys have?
I am here for a alleged probation violation.
I love that. Alleged probation. What's your name?
They must have stopped there because they never checked it. So I checked in, but they didn't have my name on the list.
All right, talk to my court officer. We'll work it out. We're gonna go off the record and take a recess.
To a misdemeanor.
Correct.
We turned it back to a civil.
Your name, sir?
Martin Bills Jr.
So they're gonna dismiss the failure to respond to municipal civil infraction. There's gonna be a plea to loitering, which is a civil infraction, right?
Yes,
He took care of everything. Did you take care of whatever it was?
it was the vote that he changed, it was too close to this, to the,
All right,
right.
he's rectified that though now, right?
Yes, he
To
did.
the charge of loitering, sir, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible?
I'll accept the plea, dismiss the misdemeanor. 135 is your total. You can go right online on 33court.com with your case number and pay that, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Zubke, Ryan Keith Zubke, 25T645513A and B. And I also have the C file. Would you do, go back and negotiate?
Yeah,
Your name, your appearance?
James Schwab, 30720.
Your name, sir?
Ryan Keith.
So now I've got a stipulated plea agreement here that says he's going to plead to no operator's license on person on count 2. They're going to dismiss the drive while suspend. And he's going to plead to failure to yield with the leave the scene to be dismissed, right?
Yes,
Is that what you want to do, sir? It's a great deal as far as I can tell.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead to no ops, the possible penalties are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. And if you plead to this civil infraction, that is a 2-point civil infraction. And I would then dismiss the leave the scene and the suspend. I do want everybody to understand that since there was an accident here, and there was an accident, obviously, I'm going to have to notify the victim. We're going to have to set it for sentence, which I would sentence him otherwise today, but I can't. So do you understand everything I just said, sir? Yes?
Yes.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there's not going to be a hearing or a trial of any kind. Do you understand that? All right. To the charge of no valid operator's license on person, how do you plead?
Guilty.
To the charge of failure to yield, responsible or not responsible? And you understand the no insurance judgment will still was still going to be in effect.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on May the 13th of 25 in the city of Trenton, county of Wayne on West near Newman at 2:25 in the afternoon? Did you have a valid license on your person?
No, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
How does this license look now? I'll accept, let me just say, I'm sorry, I'll accept your plea to failure to yield, accept your plea to no ops, dismiss the suspend.
he's, part of the reason why he's addressing it says he should. Part of the reasons he wants to get his license back. So,
You revoked. Let me just check.
Oh, no, Your Honor. I just have to take care of this ticket.
Okay,
And then we go get it back.
good. All right, what do you want to say? Anything?
no,
Anything?
No, Your Honor.
200 on the failure to yield, on the no ops, 100 fines, 75 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 300 or 60 days. So you owe 500. Can you pay all that today? Plus you have the no insurance, by the way. And you can pay all of this?
Yeah.
So it's going to cost you about 800 and some dollars to pay the no insurance too.
Okay.
You can pay all that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Yes, I can pay all that today, yes.
All right, good enough. So Heather, what is the owe on the no insurance? Is it 327 still?
Yeah, let me take a look here, Judge. I'm on his other case. I will just double check here. It is 362. That includes the clearance.
I'll tell you what, I'll reduce your fines to 250 plus the clearance fee. So it's 295 total, okay? So you're gonna have to pay $795 and you'll walk out of here with the clearance and you're all set and I wish you well. Good luck. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. People against Jacob Johnson. Jacob Troy Douglas Johnson, 26T648862. Your name?
Jacob Johnson, Your Honor.
All right. You're charged with driving on a suspended. How long you been here?
Since 9/25.
Did they not tell you to the front to check in with him?
No, they just told me to sign a paper and have a seat in the courtroom.
All right, you're charged with driving on a suspended. I'm gonna do, you want a lawyer?
No, Your Honor, I'd just like to get this taken care of today.
So I'll go ahead and arraign you and I'll send you to the prosecutor. How's that?
Okay, Your Honor.
On July the 9th of 26, it is alleged that you did operate a motor vehicle with suspended license on Vernon near King and Trenton at 4:48 p.m. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs, or all those in 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, Your
If you
Honor.
plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So was to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Not guilty, pleas entered, $500 personal bond. Go talk to him. Here are your bond conditions. You don't have to post any money. You cannot leave the state without consent. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can go out in the hallway. He'll set you up with the Trenton prosecutor. Sir, what do you have?
I'm just here for the probation violation. The lawyer's out.
Graziani's got it.
It's not, yeah.
Is that up to date?
He was supposed to be yesterday. It was a miscommunication from yesterday to today.
Why weren't you here yesterday?
When I got the note, when Madeline emailed me, for some reason, for some reason in my head, it was next Thursday. So I took work off today and everything just in my head planning that it was
All right.
Thursday.
See if John Graziano is ready. Will you, John?
Yeah, I know I got to do the.
He's not in.
Did you talk to Mr. Graziani yet?
I did. He did.
Judge, also, I'm not sure if John can run over and check or not, but we had Tyler Sloan for today. But he's been over, he also had cases with Judge Hesson and he's been over there. So I'm not sure if they were doing like a global
Never checked in with
resolution.
me.
No,
Yeah, well,
Hang on.
he's in custody with county. He was with us yesterday. He had Flat Rock cases today. He also has cases with Judge Hesson today. I'm not sure if it's anything that's a global resolution or not, that they did anything with our cases, or if he
Is that
still
with
needs
Trenton or
to.
Brown? Hang on. Is that with Trenton or Browns? Who's it with? Gibraltar.
Our cases are with Flat Rock. Let me see what his cases with Judge Hesson are.
It's a flat
They're
rock with
also
us.
Flat Rock, so I don't know if they were gonna maybe do a global resolution, because ours are 2 retail frauds. And then he also has 2 retail frauds in a false info with Judge Hesson. So I just wanna, before we're done, make sure that,
Hey, but
sometimes they do a global resolution when there's that many retail frauds, so I'm not sure if they found them all together for over in her courtroom or not.
Is
'Cause he
Mr.
should have
Cayley
been-
here today?
Yes, he's here for Judge Hesson today. And he technically should have been over in our courtroom first, but they took him because we had him at 9:45, but he went into Judge Hesson's first. I'm sorry, what's that, John?
The county never zoomed in yet with
Go
him,
off the
right?
record.
Right, they zoomed into Judge
Roger,
Hesson's courtroom
Tyler
first.
Sloan.
I got
Did
you.
you handle that, my files with him yet? I don't know. I was told that we have 1 or 2 and Judge Hesson has a couple, and she didn't know if there was a. Hang on. Heather,
Yes,
Tyler Sloan, is he on my docket today?
Yes.
he's on both dockets today, yes.
Who's got the files then?
I have them
They-
because no one told me the county zoomed in.
Right, all right, okay. Why
Right.
aren't they with Mr. Hey, can you come in here and talk to John? He's got Tyler Sloan's files that I have. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
It's because they should have zoomed into us first, but they went to Judge Hesson's first because he has cases in both courtrooms today.
Didn't know that they zoomed in to Judge Hesson.
Either did I until I just checked to see, because I was getting ready to call county because they never zoomed in, but they zoomed in over there first.
Sir, can you run out there and go find your attorney? Yeah. And tell him the judge is ready for him. Yeah. Yeah, I was looking all day to see if the county zoomed in with it, and
It didn't zoom in, so I just held it.
Oh, boy.
What's your house doing then?
Flat.
Okay, so he should have these, he should be getting these files.
Well, we didn't know that the county zoomed in at Judge Huss's courtroom, so I'm holding on to it, we have no idea. That's why no one's got it.
Gotcha.
So if you want to give it to Black,
Yeah,
thank you.
sure, no problem. He just wanted an adjournment for discovery of the three
Okay.
cases he has in essence. So,
Yeah, we didn't.
I assume we'll have the same.
Right.
Fine.
okay,
You talked to the attorney prosecutor.
and same charges.
I guess you guys can call me.
Mr. Slough, what are we on for? Are
I'm
we
told
waiting for,
there should be a Mr. Tyler Sloan on.
okay, he's over in Judge Hessen's right now, so we have to wait for him to be done over there.
He's on Zoom there too. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm not sure who's handling him over there. Who's their attorney today? Let me take a look. Um, so I don't know if Mr. Granada has spoke with him yet, if you want to check with him, because he has
Right.
cases. Here's the deal. He has cases in both courtrooms and they're retail frauds. So I'm not sure if you want to speak with Mr. Granada and see if there's going to be a global thing that's going to be worked out or what.
I'm hearing no. I'm hearing there's going to be need of a pre-trial because he wants to see video and all that type of
Okay.
thing.
Oh, okay. All right.
Is it Mr. Graziani who's handling him?
No, Mr. Granada.
Oh, okay.
So also, if he hasn't spoke with him yet, if we can get him over here so we can speak with him, because technically he should have been with us first because we had him scheduled for 9:45, but
However you
Charlie
want to
put him.
do it, it's fine with me.
So I don't know if you want to check with Mr. Granada and see if he's even, if, I believe somebody said that he did speak with them already, but if you want to check with them.
Okay, I'm gonna go check
Okay.
right now.
Okay, yeah, and as soon as they come over here, we'll get you
Johnny,
in.
ready? Hey, I'm ready. Oh.
When I gave it, I put it up there.
Oh, okay. You're ready on him, who else are you waiting for?
The truck came in with my paper.
Did he put his up? Jacob Johnson.
Correct.
Where is Carlos's file? John, that was yours, right?
Yeah, I brought it up over here.
Where?
I put it right on the table.
What table?
I mean, over there with, God, shouldn't.
We do not have it. I got Johnson.
In there. John, I'm bad.
Losing your mind, huh?
What happens is they call me for the hearing, the Zoom hearing, the guy's still not a bit for them. That's the.
All right.
Yep.
Rexion's ready to go, and then the other one's ready to. Yeah.
I was enjoying talking to the wife.
Yeah, he was in yesterday. K one.
Would you? On TNT. What was your undergrad? I got it.
All right, stay seated, please.
Quarterback session.
All right. Tyler, Chad, Carlos, 260-306-855A.
Good morning, Judge and staff. John Graziani, appearing on behalf of Tyler Carlos, who's my love.
Your name, sir?
Tyler Carlos.
The charge here is failure to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs testing positive on July 9th for marijuana. How is he going to proceed here?
Judge.
And I'm gonna need the map in here on this, John. Is that what you want to do, sir? You've got no technical violations. This would be a first. By law, you could get 5 days. Do you understand that in jail?
I do understand that.
You're presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty by a preponderance of the evidence. You have the right to a hearing. At a hearing, you have the right to question their witnesses, to testify or remain silent, to bring in your own witnesses, to use the subpoena powers of the court, to bring in those witnesses. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. And there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
I do.
All right. Is that what he's gonna do, is plead guilty?
That is correct.
To the charge, you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive for marijuana on July 9, 26. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you consume marijuana, say within the 5 or 7 days before that?
I did.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No.
And I'd ordered you not to consume marijuana, correct?
Correct.
I'll accept your plea. I find it to be an accurate plea. Your name, please?
Probation.
All right. What's going on? I just placed him on probation, May 21. This isn't a good start. Mr. Graziani, what would you like to
What
say?
happened, Judge, is I was foolish enough to get on the 4th of July instead of just enjoying the sailing. He and THC laced brownie. It
Nice.
sounds pretty good, brownie, but then unfortunately, something else.
All right. What do you have to say? Anything?
No, you're just stupid, Your Honor. Honestly, just no valid excuse for it. I was on a pontoon boat cruise on 4th of July. They were-
Where at?
Harper Lake in Irons, out by Cadillac.
Okay.
My grandparents live on the lake there. Was just simply stupid enough to take one.
All right. How's he doing with everything else?
He has completed his 1 day of community service and his 2 days of work program. He is planning to sign up for the August Alcohol Education Fest with PRS. Technically missed his first appointment, but I did contact him and he saw my email and he'd be up here late, so we did end up still holding it. But just the travel, I feel like maybe a little more responsibility, with the a good idea. This was the first travel I approved and obviously it resulted in a positive test.
I know they're starting to make me want to make them all stay home. Every time that somebody goes up north, they start using her. Go ahead.
I did approve another travel request and
When?
it already happened, but there was a bit of a change in the travel that I wasn't made aware of and he didn't make it back to test in time. He did test the next day. But I just let him know, in the future, you gotta let them know if your travel plans change so that we can.
You're gonna be more diligent with this, aren't you?
Oh, yeah, 100%. I work like 80 hours a week at Rocket right now, so it's just,
You're not working hard enough.
yeah.
I'm just I know.
But yeah, it's just scheduling, making sure.
I hope they've at least given you tickets for the tournament that weekend.
I did 3 for Sunday.
Good.
Yeah. So
We got some good players there this year.
yeah, they did like the 3-car off of the building next to my office Thursday. It was cool.
Although they lost, this is the last one, I guess, huh?
It is.
Hopefully they have someone filling in.
The PGA didn't re-sign the contract, so
Well, I think they didn't want to sponsor it.
yeah, that's it. Yeah.
$60 in costs, serve 8 hours of community service by August the 21. You're also going to test bi-weekly until September 30. And if you're clean, I'll look at I'll go revert to monthly then, okay? But you got to get off of that stuff, okay?
Got it.
All right, good luck. Thanks.
Thank
Jacob
you,
Troy
John.
Douglas Johnson, 216-648-862.
Yeah.
Is this yours, Mr. No, you waived your right to a lawyer, right? Your name? Name?
Jacob Johnson.
You're gonna plead to no ops on person. They're going to dismiss the suspend, correct?
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
plead to no valid operator's license on person. Possible penalties are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
sign, read, and understand the advice and rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. We are not going to have a hearing or a trial of any kind. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
still wish to waive your right to a lawyer.
Yes, Your Honor.
To the charge, no valid operator's license on person. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Will be operating a motor vehicle in the city of Trenton, County of Wayne on July the 9 to 26 at 4:48 PM.
Correct, Your
Do you have a valid license on your person?
No, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Please accept it. You don't have a valid license either. I mean, you're still suspended is the point.
Correct, Your Honor. I was under the impression I had to come here first, and take care of the tickets. Then I can go to Secretary of State and reapply.
Won't be driving without a valid license, okay?
Yeah.
I'll accept your plea, dismiss the suspend. Is there anything else you'd like to say?
No, Your Honor.
100 fines, 85 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 310 or 60 days. You can go down the hall and pay that and you're all set.
Can I
How
have?
much do you have today?
I have nothing today. I haven't been back.
A probation violation over a single marijuana test could have ended with jail time. Instead, the judge gave the defendant an opportunity to explain what happened, and his honest answer may have changed the outcome of the hearing. The hearing began with Tyler Carlos, who appeared before the court on a technical probation violation. According to the allegation, he violated a condition of his probation by testing positive for marijuana after being specifically ordered to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs. The judge explained that although this was his first technical violation, Michigan law still allowed the court to impose up to 5 days in jail. Before anything else happened, the judge carefully advised Tyler of all his constitutional rights, including his right to a hearing where the prosecution would have to prove the violation. Tyler chose to waive those rights and pleaded guilty. The judge then turned to the facts. Tyler admitted that he had consumed marijuana within the days leading up to the positive drug test. He confirmed that no one had forced him to plead guilty and acknowledged that he knew the court had specifically ordered him not to use marijuana while on probation. Based on those admissions, the judge accepted the guilty plea and formally found him responsible for the probation violation. The probation officer explained that Tyler had only recently been placed on probation, making the violation especially disappointing. According to probation, this was not a good start. However, the officer also acknowledged that Tyler had successfully completed several other requirements, including community service, a work program, and plans to attend an alcohol education program. Aside from the positive drug test, his overall compliance had been relatively good. When the judge asked what had happened, Tyler didn't make excuses. He admitted